Okay, we are going to go over what is new in the UFX Trend Report EA. There's a few things here. You can see I've got the CAD Yen weekly chart open, and we've got the UFX Trend Report scanner here to the left. So we're just going to drop our UFX Trend Report EA onto the chart here. And you're going to notice, if you want to check that you have the right version, it is the UFX Trend Report version 3.05. Okay, and there's going to be a few things new here on here that we'll go over, but also for the scanner, go into the Expert Advisors properties and the About tab, and you're going to see that the scanner here is 3.05 as well. So make sure you've got the new version. If you don't, you can download it and install it. Okay, so let's get into what is going on here with the new Trend Report EA. You can see I've got an alarm interval setting down here that's set to 15 minutes by default. We've got a support area button and a resistance area button. We've also got the trade support signals and trade resistance signals here. Under the money management risk, we've got 1%, the 2%, the 5%, which is what has been regular, but I've also added in the fixed lot size. Okay, and you're going to see up here fixed lot size used, and that's what this is going to be here, fixed lot size. If you're going to use this for your money management, then make sure you come down here and you can set it to whatever you'd like, 0.05, or if you want 5 mini lots. Okay, and then as long as this is set to FL, then it will use the fixed lot size here when you're taking the trades. Okay, everything else is roughly the same here. We're going to put this back down to 1% and go over the support and resistance. So the reason I've got it on the weekly is because I do the weekly analysis on TradingView. Now I've eliminated this, and this is going to be a lot easier for people that have the UFX Trend Report. All you need to do is turn on your support areas and your resistance areas, and now you can see that these zones are automatically drawn in for you. You don't have to set any alerts. All you have to do here is if we were close, then you're just going to simply turn the alerts on. Now you can see that I have the indicator turned off right now. If I wanted to turn this on, then I would, but there's no need to have it on when we're just looking for the support and resistance. Excuse me. So if I did set this to 1 minute, let's just bring this down to 1 minute here. And this is set dynamically here, that every minute we're going to be alerted as long as the price action is above and in the resistance area or support area. So we'll give this a few minutes here and look for the alert that's going to populate. And you'll see when I'm doing the support and resistance weekly video this week, I'll be using the MT4, and you'll see how I'm going to get the week set up with the charts here this Sunday. So it'll give everybody lots of time to download the updated version and install it before next week. So there we go. So every minute now we're going to get an alert. The CAD Yen is at a support or resistance area. Okay. Now by default, like I said, I've got this set to 15 minutes. Okay, so now it'll alert me every 15 minutes as long as I keep this on. Now this is going to be handy when I go down to the daily time frame, which I'm going to show you right now, because now that I know that I've been alerted in this resistance area on the weekly chart, I'm just going to take my rectangle up here and just draw in the weekly area. Okay, just like so. And now I'm going to drop it down to the daily. And you can see we've got a daily resistance area up here. So I'm not just going to go down to the 1 hour right now and look to go short here. Since I do have a daily within the weekly, I'm going to leave my alert on, and when we get up into this area, or if we get up into this area, I'm going to be alerted, and then I'm going to move it down to the 1 hour and look to take the trades based on here. So I'm not going to just start looking for trades right here to go short. I'm going to see if we can get a push up into this area, and if we do, I'll drop it down to the 1 hour chart or the 15-minute, but I like to trade off of the 1 hour, so I'll probably drop down to the 1 hour chart if we get up into this area, and then I will look for a sell trade based on a lower high and a lower low, and I will also turn on the resistance signals trading as well. So okay, hopefully this makes sense, and I will do a better in-depth video showing these settings and actually taking trades. I'll use the 1 minute chart to go over the trades, and hopefully I'll have that done next week, and then you can see it actually what each setting does a little bit more in depth. But for now, you'll get a good idea as to why I've got the support areas on and the resistance areas with the alerts. And we'll just make sure this is on set 15 minutes so that when I get up here, I'll be alerted every 15 minutes. Okay, we will talk to you guys later. Okay, so if you guys are interested on joining, at the bottom of this video, you can scroll down just a little bit and you can see this join button. If you click on the join button, you're going to see two options here. You're going to see the Access Live plus Crypto Chat, and I've just created this Crypto Chat here about a month ago. So for the new year, there's a couple things within this. We're doing 40 currency pairs, or crypto pairs, sorry. I'll show you the list right here, the purple list, and you can see these are all of the cryptos that we're currently watching, and it's all based on the daily charts here. So one of the ones that was recently gotten into was this one, and also LRC. So right here you can see. So we do have 40 cryptos that we are watching in this room, and it's based off of the daily. So if you are interested in joining that, it is simply $4.99 a month. Very, very cheap. And there is another thing, part of this here, that I'll be getting into a bit more with the CFX here as well. So it's kind of going hand in hand with this. However, you don't need to do the CFX. You can just do the crypto. And then if you want the MT4 indicators plus EA, then that is $14.99 a month. And you can just hit the join button and you will be good to go. Contact me via Telegram, and you will get the strategies EA and ready to be downloaded via Telegram. Okay, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.